Hey, thanks for coming to the channel. So we're gonna do a little bit about cleaning the griddle and something that I really feel every griddle owner should have, the two-handed scraper. So we just finished cooking this. This is homemade top round teriyaki. We'll put a link to the video in the description.
I'm still eating it.
Chris is still eating it. It's delicious. But the thing with this is it's a very, very, very sugary marinade. Like a lot of sugar. So when you cook this on your griddle looks very bad when you're done. But we have an easy way to clean it. So let's head outside and take a look at that. All right, so as you guys can see, this griddle is in rough shape right now, right? And I actually want to point out another aspect of a griddle being in rough shape. So even when you're cooking burgers, right? You're thinking about your patina. You want your patina thin, and you don't want it so thick that when you cook scrambled eggs, you flip your egg over and it's all black, right? Because the wet food will peel the patina off. So you want to keep the patina thin, but if you're cooking a burger here, but let's say you're cooking a burger here, right? The burger is going to pull some heat out of the steel. Then the fat runs down towards your drain. There's nothing pulling the heat out. So what's happening is your fat, whatever oil you have on here, is getting super hot because you don't have food on it. And that's going to cause your patina to get thicker and thicker and thicker. So one of the things that I found that is, I would not live without it, is the two-handed scraper. So this guy, and when I worked in places on a commercial stainless steel griddle, we always had this, and we actually had a razor blade on the handle too. But this is essential because all that fat that builds up and gets hot and gets thick, this is gonna pull right off. This can, depending on how much you lean on it, but chances are this is gonna bend before you get it all off. So if you look, I can scrape this, and I'm gonna be scraping down for a while, right? Sorry for the noise, scraping down for a while. Or you just grab your two-hander. You might wanna come in close for this with the camera, Jeff.
And we'll put a link in the description.
We'll put a link in the description. That was pure sugar bonded to a griddle. I mean, sugar, we know how it sticks. That's sugar and soy sauce right there. And look how quick that pulled that off. And you can hear how smooth it is. You don't have those rough spots.
Should I go get an egg?
Not yet, not yet. I gotta put a little water on. But
yeah, you know what though? If you go back to our older videos, this is our #1 recommended thing we say you should have.
yeah, because look at this. I mean, come back inside, Jeff. Now I'll come back to this guy, right? And you hear when that runs across, right? You don't have.
Yeah, you're not pulling any more up anymore.
You don't have all those sticky spots,
Yeah.
right? I'm back to having a nice thin patina. So, this video might not be all that interesting to you guys, but if you do own a griddle and you cook on it regularly, you can let your patina get really thick and live with it that way, or you use a two-handed scraper every time you cook, and you're gonna have a consistently thin patina.
Well, that's what happens too when you don't use a two-hander.
You're gonna get peaks and valleys.
You get like the
Peaks and valleys.
That's not rust. That's just the oil, the burnt oil.
Yes, the burnt oil. You'll see the orange when
Yeah.
you scrape off. When you scrape it hard, you're gonna get that top layer of oil off that's carbonized, and then right below it, it's just orange, and it's oil that is not patina, right? It's not carbonized. It's just oil.
Yeah.
So, anyways, any closing thoughts, gentlemen?
Like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, guys, because it really helps. And cheers.
Cheers.
We'll see you.